Completed. Congratulations, you have completed all the setup needed. You have installed Node.js, other prerequisites, and you have prepared your Linux environment. Now you are already installed OpenClaw. Now one suggestion, in case you face any problem with OpenClaw gateway, you see any error, you can say OpenClaw gateway stop, and you can again OpenClaw gateway, right? It will restart the gateway. And after that, you can say OpenClaw TUI, that is the terminal UI interface, right? So after that, you can always check saying that hello, and if it responds, and check whether your LLM and everything is been connected well. Now, so far we have checked the OpenClaw with some setup. And how do you create a scheduled task, right? Let's get into creating a scheduled task. Let's say every morning at 9 a.m. send me a good morning message as an example, or send me a coffee time alert at 9:15, 9:30 a.m. This creates a cron job in backend with the help of OpenClaw and its configuration and LLM support. OpenClaw now runs persistently. That is the benefit, that without doing any coding, OpenClaw could perform your cron job, schedule jobs, and runs persistently. Also, I wanted to highlight a few other configuration though. So as you continue, you might see that OpenClaw whenever you run your terminal emulator, right? So OpenClaw can ask you to set up a few of the other things, like how OpenClaw has to address you, how OpenClaw will call you, what you will call the OpenClaw itself, right? And what should be the tone of your conversation, right? So if you see on the screen, these are the setup, like, I would call you my Claw buddy as an example. What is the tone? Chill. You should decide the best one. I am saying about the emoji that, they can use some emojis also when they communicate, right? So now this way your configuration will be completed and you can communicate with the OpenClaw for the schedule message. Now you can answer this point in number wise if needed. You can answer this number wise, and then it will memorize it accordingly, right? See, every morning at 9 a.m. send me a good morning message as an example, right? So it does it creates the cron job. It asks you some more question. I am ready to schedule it, but I need a couple of specifics first. What? Time zone, message plus channel, which channel it should use, and still need your pick for the emoji. It is keep on asking for the emoji because it is sending a greeting message and it has this programmed accordingly. Understand? Once I have those, I will add the cron job so it reliably fires every morning at the right time. Can you understand? It reconfirms accordingly. So once you provide every details and you provide your inputs, then it really creates the cron job. It might take a while, it might take some time to configure, but at the end you see all set. I created a recurring cron job called daily good morning, an ID. It has provided an ID. It runs every day at 9 a.m. Can you understand? That's the power of OpenClaw that we are talking here, right? I hope you understand. Okay, thank you. Let's look forward to see more about the skills and other tools within this.